Behind every beautiful smile restored with dental implants lies a perfect balance of precision and creativity. Developing the proper emergence profile is critical. Every detail, abutment shape, screw access, tissue contour, and bone support must be carefully planned to achieve harmony and long-term success. No two patients are alike. Creating implant restorations requires an artistic eye. Sculpting soft tissue contours, designing natural symmetry, and mastering the subtle details that transform a restoration from good enough to indistinguishable from nature. It's this blend of meticulous science and artistic craftsmanship that transforms dental implants from a clinical procedure into a life-changing restoration.